Hello, my peoples. I'm gonna trade a monkey for a monkey. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, this is my friend.
Hello. If you subscribe to her, then this is like, if you know me, I'm Kat. If you're subscribed,
Yeah,
to
I'll
me,
link her
this
in
is
the.
basically like a sneak peek of my voice.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna trade a monkey for a monkey because I
Beautiful.
just because I don't want to do the work. Oh,
Testicle. That's what it is.
do.
Does she accept?
Hold on, she's trading the monkey. Please accept. I don't want to do the work. Come on, come on, come on.
Accept.
She accepted. And now she's gonna trade that monkey, and I get a free monkey. I get free. Dude, this is the awesome. This is the most awesome day of my life.
I tried trading a bandicoot. Remember when I accidentally named my bandicoot Pumpkin Pie, and I meant to name it my Bat Dragon,
Yeah.
and we were both dying.
Yeah.
Go to
Okay.
sleep, tropical. Go to sleep.
I'm gonna cut this off for right now. I'm probably gonna make a video with Cat again. So stay tuned.